exactly. And there's more chips.
Guess what, guys? It's her birthday on Thursday. Yeah! I was gonna say send in video requests to say happy birthday, but you don't get any videos, comments, or anything. Put a
Okay, well neither do you. Put a you don't even have subscribers.
I have 2. Okay, I don't subscribe people, so they don't subscribe me. I guess subscription.
No, the people who subscribe me, then I subscribe them.
Sure. She got a comment saying subscription. I can't say that word. Subscription for subscription. I was like, oh,
tag.
Hey,
Happy birthday.
If you guys see this, go to Angie Velez XOXO ANGIE capital VELEZ capital XOXO. It's way better than.
It's in my friends list.
Yeah, that too. That helps. And and Super Twisted Sisters. Yeah, we rock.
No, they don't.
Yeah, we do.
They stop.
We're gonna make a very funny video. It's coming soon, but we still gotta plan it out. It's pretty hard. Planning it out when you only have one and a half more days of freedom. All the times we had together.
We will still be forever, no matter what. Sadly.
This is coming from the girl who always calls me up, okay?
You're the one who calls me. I never.
Okay, you're the one. Okay,
hold on.
Wow!
Angie.
Wow! Okay, how many Angies is in that the whole in your whole life?
Angie.
Wow, that's 3.
4.
You don't call me because it costs money on your phone, you retard.
Hello, but I can call all these other people. Not repeat calls.
That was yesterday.
Angie.
Oh, you called me.
On September 14th.
September 14th.
Yeah. August 14th.
Sure. Remind her. She's related to a girl named Melissa. So she's all like, Angie on MSN. I'll show you all the conversations. It's like Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday. I'm just like, okay. So she was all like, Angie, you don't sleep over anymore. We should still sleep over. Ouch. Oh, God, swine flu. Swine flu. Xavier, if you see this, it's okay. Just never kiss a pig again.
Kiss the pig?
I told him.
The pig and he liked it.
Taste of its food last night. Corn chowder. Star. Okay, I'm gonna go downstairs.
A sister for free.
Sister for sale, just for 1 cent. You can hug her, you can bug her, you can. I don't remember the rest.
Pressure, you can.
Everything. Father. That's where you. I don't know where.
Our water sign with the water on top of it.
That's where you. Okay, bye guys. I'm gonna change. I'm mopping, guys. Because that's what
Good girls do.
I'm not a good girl.
Since when?
Mop, right?
Is she a good girl or a bad girl? Really?
Yep.
What does she do that's so bad?
But she's a bad girl. Really bad girl.
Okay, can I drink water? Drink water.
What?